All right, here we are. We're at the Baja, and we've done a lot of work to get the e-brake and the STI rotor in place. And now we are going to be working on getting the actual Brembo caliper. So it's all rebuilt, new pistons inside there, painted, stenciled, clear coated, looking really good. We also have stainless brake lines that are gonna go in. We have some Hawk what are these? HPS pads. So we got those, and we got all the assorted hardware, and we're gonna be bleeding the brakes through there. So the hard part about this one is, I don't know if you can see in there or not, but we have the bolt that we have to keep in there. And we'll loosen the hub, move it out a little bit so we can start threading it in. So, all right. Well, let's get this going. So we'll fast forward through the process as I get this Brembo on, and then we'll introduce the sweet wheels that we're gonna have in here to replace the factory stocks and clear these Brembo brakes. So let's do this. And the interesting thing is they don't make a stainless brake kit for the Baja specifically, but we used one for got one for a WRX, and it fits. The only thing you don't use is this little bridge piece to go on the other side. And so that's it. Other than that, they work great. All right. Sandwich on both ends. Time to get the fronts on. We already have the rotors on, but I just wanted to show you the difference between like a legacy turbo front rotor and an STI rotor. I mean, good night, man. That's level on the bottom. There's probably a solid inch of extra rotor. So that's pretty impressive if you ask me. So now we got to get the caliper on. We got the old one just hanging around. And so this front's pretty straightforward. Just bolt it in and off you go. So let's do this. All right, we just spent all day putting the Brembo brakes on this car, the custom wheels, and I'm not gonna lie, it looks pretty darn sweet. So let's get an overall view of what's going on here. So here's the car. All right, well, first off, I guess, you can see the car as a whole. You're really starting to get in there. This is the front bumper, it's all done, but we're gonna wait to put that in until we get the motor. And there they are, Inky RPF 01s, 17 by 8, or 8.5, 17 by 8.5, 255, and the white Brembo calipers, and the DBA rotors. Oh man, what a combo. It looks amazing. And so we have the Brembos on all four corners. Here's this rear. if you look at the overall profile, it's looking pretty darn sweet. And so there's the rear Brembos for this side, DBA rotors, and here's the other side, passenger side. All bled, ready to go, ready to stop this beast when we get the motor in. And here we can see the how fat these meats are, dude. You have no problem putting the power down. And the offset's perfect for this thing too. Fantastic. Oh, she is looking really good. It's amazing what a set of wheels and tires do for a car. So there we go. All right, next stage is building the motor. I'm gonna get the heart of this beast going. Let's do this.